So we have trending stocks: BUU, low floats, RKT, RDW, and IONQ. BUUU recently IPO'd, up as you can see, 96.34%. It has a very, very tiny float. Yeah, I mean, going by what we have here, you can see 33,000 shares, usual volume. You can see only not even up to a million, and we have 92% going on there. So aggression is surely very high. It is not liquid at all. You can see this. You buy at $16 and you sell at 15.75. Crazy, crazy, crazy. But people don't mind anyway. They don't mind. Short sellers are going to be circling the stock. Surely they'll be doing so. You can see what I mean. This is the sell column. You can see here. And we are not seeing anything here. We're not seeing it. Okay, well, it doesn't explain anything yet. Doesn't explain anything yet. 15.03. I think it's down here. Some people want to buy here. It's 15.03 down. It's down that this way. You can see highly volatile. You can see that. It's lost 20% already, almost close to 20%. 15.11. You see, that's where the price is. This is where you're selling at. See where this is where the action is, but at to the upside is where the buying action is. Yeah. Okay. Newly minted. Started trading in August. Yeah, that's when it started trading. But since that time, it has just been consolidating within a I would say within a well, of late they are okay. Well, now everything is bullish. All the short, intermediate, and medium term trends are all bullish now. Yeah, projections. I don't think we're going to get any projections here. 12.94. It's a pullback. It's a downward projection. Let's just see what we have on its 4-hour chart. Even the 4-hour chart doesn't have any extrapolation here. Pullback, 10.11. Let's just have a look at its 1 minute chart. Okay, so lower prices expect to play out. Okay, no, we don't. We can rely on that. It's very too short term. So projections are saying 20.03, 26.26, 31.13, 34.15. If anything, extrapolation might be on the 1-hour chart. It might be the better. Yeah, has okay. Contraction is expected to continue to play out up into tomorrow's trading session. On this 1-hour chart, the 40-period moving average is also rising to contain any pullback. Here, projections are saying nothing to the upside. Rather, we have 9.92 to the downside. So it may be associated with some people are saying that it may be a pump and dump scheme. Yeah, going on right now. It's a Hong Kong based stock. RKT up 4.36%. Intraday high $20.25. RKT is currently trending, right? Yes, it is trending right now. Actively trending as people anticipate a significant mortgage refinancing wave fueled by improving home purchase applications and broader house market recovery. Investors are highlighting the company's integrated platform, AI-driven efficiencies, and robust institutional accumulation as key factors driving a potential re-rating in the evolving real estate sector. Underlying trend strongly bullish. The extrapolation is saying that yeah, an accumulative contraction is what we should expect going all the way towards the 10th of February. In the midst of all of that, A 52-week high might print. Okay, so in a very short time, in the between now and Monday the 5th, higher prices also expected to play out. So after that, we might get a contraction going all the way towards the 23rd of January, and then after that, the uptrend may resume. So the trend is to the upside. The 40 period moving average is also expected to keep rising as well to contain any pullback. Projections are saying, beginning with downward projections, we have 17.2, 17.7, 18.5. Upper projections 22.3, 24.03, 25.1. Momentum is expected to remain elevated up till Friday the 2nd, and then after that is expected to continue to decay and then might pick up again when the uptrend here also is expected to resume. Let's see how all of this will pan out. RDW up 11%. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, 12 million shares have crossed the tape above average, trading at a slight premium to its volume weighted average price. Quite a high beta as well. Volatility is expected to increase in the coming days. RDW is gaining significant traction following a major contract award for spacecraft docking systems for the exploration company's NYX capsule, further bolstered by renewed catalyst confidence in its strategic position. People are buzzing with expectations of substantial long-term growth and a potential re-evaluation or revaluation within the accelerating space and defense sectors, despite persistent discussions around market dynamics and previous volatility. Okay, so underlying trend is severely bearish. If we are, if not neutral to bearish, I would say. Okay, so the stock picked up. It's been trending. It's been in a short-term bullish trend since the late November. Yeah, but the extrapolation seems to be suggesting that from Monday the 5th, it might resume the contraction and no bounce in sight. Projections are currently saying 9.16, 10.4, 11.96, 12.92 RDW. Yeah. Momentum is also expected to decay as well and not maybe just begin to pick up modestly, but not the price itself. Yeah. IONQ up 1.73%. At some point, it was trending, capturing attention following recent news of an expanded long-term partnership with Quantum Basel and an agreement to deliver a 100 qubit tempo system to South Korea's KISTI, showcasing commercial traction in the nascent quantum computing sector. Bulls view these developments, supported by positive analyst initiations, as evidence of IonQ's leadership and long-term potential in quantum AI. Conversely, a significant portion of the community of traders and investors remains cautious, citing concerns over the company's high cash burn, speculative valuation, and instances of insider selling amidst the sector's inherent volatility. Let's see what we have. Okay, 9 million shares have crossed the tape. It's quite a high beta stock. Okay, but it hasn't reached its 50-day average of 23 million. Okay, so here we have underlying trend strongly bullish. Lower prices are expected to continue to print as well, but it might maybe pick up a bounce from the 27th, from the 28th of January. But in the interim, the algo seems to be suggesting it's going to be, yeah, lower prices. But the algo seems to be suggesting that it might momentum might pick up. Okay, yeah, yeah, supporting this bounce that is extrapolated from, especially from the 28th of January. Projections are currently saying, let's see now, 9.02, nothing to the upside. As of today, as of today, nothing to the upside. Even yesterday, nothing to the upside. Yeah, nothing to the upside. But if you go back to the Friday, the 26th, we had 62.84, 69.59, 73.75. Let's see what we have on its 4 hour chart. On the 4 hour chart, nothing as well. Yeah, a brief dead cat bounce that might be rejected. Okay, it's better to bounce and then consolidate and then resume the downtrend. Projections are saying 55.53, 59.48, 61.92. Yeah, momentum is expected to pick up here on the 4 hour chart. Okay, that's just as the bounce is expected to pick up here as well. Then after that, it's downhill and then again pick up again. But a bounce is expected, but we don't exactly. This is from Thursday, the 8th of January, but we didn't. Extrapolation stops at Friday the 9th. So let's see how all of this will pan out. And thank you very much for watching this video.